Cheers! Hello my pretties! Today we're going to be doing another spooky Halloween cocktail. This one is called the Obituary and it's got 3 ingredients. We have your absinthe, again, gin, and dry vermouth. And we're going to feature a gin called Guardian Gin from Gulch Distillers. It's local to Montana in Helena and it's very tasty, very dry, nice, good flavor. One of my favorite gins. So first what you want to do is you want to put some ice in your glass, let it cool down a bit before you put the drink in it. And you also want to put some ice in your mixer as well. And not with the lid on it, because that would defeat the purpose of putting the ingredients in it. As you can tell, I'm very dressed up. I have my wig and my makeup. I'm feeling very, I don't know what I'm supposed to be. I'm supposed to be some type of, I didn't have any white makeup, like to make my face look ghostly, so I'm really just extra glamorous Halloween 50s housewife slash Morticia slash Elvira slash whatever. So anyway, let's continue. So first what you're going to do is you're going to do 2 ounces of the lucid. No, that's a lot of absinthe. Just kidding. So what you want to do first is you want to do 2 ounces of gin. And then you're going to do 1/4 ounce of the dry vermouth. And you're going to do 1/4 ounce of the absinthe. And it says to stir this. It says to stir this instead of shake, so I'm going to stir it very lovingly. So they said that this was invented in New Orleans at the Lafitte's Black Market? Blacksmith and Bar? Blacksmith's Shop and Bar. Let's try this drink out. So you want to take the ice that's already in the glass and get rid of it. Now I've actually never tried this before, so I'm pretty excited. These are obviously ingredients that I like. I really like martinis, the dry vermouth and the gin, so I'm interested to see what it tastes like. So, cheers. That's really good. That actually pairs amazingly with the absinthe. It takes away that kind of bitterness of the licorice. I really like that. I'm surprised I've never tried this before. Yeah, this is super tasty. Huh. Ooh, that'll kick you. That'll kick you in the butt. So thank you so much for watching. Again, my name is Benny, and this is an obituary. I hope you enjoyed the video. Please like and subscribe for more. We're gonna have more fun in Halloween. I'll be dressing up. We're gonna be doing more spooky cocktails. The majority of them probably will have absinthe in them because I love absinthe, and it's kind of spooky. Am I right? I'm surprised nothing spilled this whole time.